Hi,
How are you doing?
I'm great. How are you?
I'm all right.
Yeah? Please tell us what your name is, government name, that is. What do you get up
Like
to?
the whole thing?
The whole
Oh,
thing.
no. My name is Nell
Yeah.
Ilani. Just a summary, I'm in media sales.
Right,
So every day my life is just a bit chaotic.
right,
Thinking campaigns, targets, sales, and everything.
right.
And then outside that, I'm just a regular person.
Yeah, the saying nowadays is, I'm just a girl.
Yeah, I'm just a girl.
Yeah?
Doing what I can, trying to balance it all.
So you mentioned media there. Is that why you were telling a good friend of ours what kind of setup she should have next time?
Yeah,
Oh, what
it
does
was
it...
just a suggestion. But my media is like outdoor sales, like your billboards. Yeah.
And with a lifestyle like that,
Hey, it's fast-paced, hey?
right,
That's why I really like to, and then I like quiet moments. I like quiet moments to myself.
yeah,
Something like my family keeps me balanced as well, so I appreciate that.
right.
Yeah.
So Alpha Direct Insurance, a lot of people have different views when it comes to insurance. I know I have views when it comes to insurance, some of which we'll talk about right now and touch on. But how did you used to view insurance?
It was just something that's just there. Well, for the longest time, I used to think it's for people that have responsibilities, like
Right.
people that have their life together, have money. I always thought it was expensive as well. So I just put it back. I never really found the need, to sign up and get insurance or anything like that.
Right.
Yeah. So it was just there, and I'm not for me type of thing.
Yeah. How many people have you actually come across that share the same sentiments? I know my group of friends have felt that they don't need it until they needed it.
And they feel like it's just a waste of money.
Right.
Because I'll be like, oh, so
right.
every month I'll be paying this and nothing has happened, so it's just a waste of money, so why bother?
Yeah.
So yeah, a lot
lot of
people,
them?
yeah. A lot.
Sheesh.
So maybe they need to do better in terms of like getting people out there, like educate them.
Yeah.
So that we know.
I think you being here should be a great, tone setter.
Yeah.
For a lot of people that are going to watch this and they're your friends.
Yeah.
And
Because now the perspective has totally changed. Now it's something that I need. It's very important to have, and I would encourage you, like everyone, to just sign up for it.
right.
Yeah.
So then what made you decide, look, I actually need to get insurance? Uh-oh.
The work that I'm in is
Right.
quite fast-paced.
Okay.
So I need like a peace of mind. So I think it was just one of those things that I need to set this up so that while at least my personal life and work life, it's chaotic, at least I have something that is like all ducks in a row.
Right.
Yeah, so that's why I think I signed up for it.
So when was this? Which year was this? When was the year of awakening? Like, ta-da! Alpha Direct Insurance.
I don't know.
And
the
actually
exact-
speak to why Alpha Direct, right?
I don't know the exact year, but I think a few years back, maybe 3 or 4 years back. Well, one thing about me, I mentioned I'm in sales. So with Alpha Direct, they're really good at the outdoor visibility. So I only saw like the billboards around. I was like, this company, what's going on, And then started reading up on them. And then one thing that really pulled me towards them, it's the affordability. I think they have very competitive rates compared to other people. Because while I was inquiring, I think I got a call. Sorry, I got a call.
Yeah.
And then somebody gave me a quote. I was like, is this like an annual rate or a monthly rate? Like a month, I was like, oh no,
Feels
ma'am.
too good to be true.
I was like, no, thank you. So others were really, really expensive, but they pulled through for me, and I never won because I had that mentality.
Right.
I didn't want to sign up for something that will just financially stretch me.
Right.
So I was like, okay, let me try this out because now the rates are a bit affordable and low for me. So that's why I went for them.
Amazing.
Yeah.
So first insurance company that you signed up with, or there have been other, and are you able
It's
to compare?
actually my first.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, and it's been...
Oh, high five.
It's been a good process so far. I think the like I mentioned, the rates, the others, I was like, hey, I can't do this. This is just a little too steep for me. And remember, I always had that thing that it's for people that have assets and people that are financially well off.
Right.
And I'm just a girl trying to do my best. So
I appreciate why Alpha Direct I also appreciate, the rates are very affordable for you.
Yeah.
So you also spoke about different options out there.
Yes.
Are you able to compare with what you have seen outside and then Alpha Direct, how it's easier and it felt easier for you to pick that decision?
It's really just that.
Yeah.
The overall rates
More affordable.
Yeah, and they're affordable to me for what I was looking for at that time.
Right.
Yeah, because I really did like my research, and I found out that I think that's why it was an easy choice for me to say, am I just going to go with these people?
You know what I wish is more affordable in my life?
What would that be?
Women's hair.
Oh, wow.
And women's bags.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, I would love to do that.
The pinch
Yeah,
there?
it's
Well,
where can I find a cheaper and affordable option for that?
I don't know, maybe manufacture that yourself. So
Oh yeah, let's.
Because at least then you'll be able to wager everything.
She said, make it
I don't know,
yourself.
yeah.
I love that. So, making a claim from Alpha Direct Insurance, when was that? Without getting into the details, obviously, specific details, what was the experience like just making a claim?
Firstly, I hate that happened to me.
Yeah.
Because I always thought, oh no, I'm just gonna pay for just in case.
Right.
Hey, and then the just in case happened. Hey, I was so bummed out.
Yeah.
But this was around last year, recently actually. Last year around the September holidays.
Right.
So I had to make a claim.
Okay.
From police for my car actually got broken into.
Oh, sorry about that.
Yeah. So, and then what was stressful at the time, because we were given, I think 2 days after that, the holidays, because I remember, that
September
time.
holidays. Right?
Yeah, so it was the independence, and then we had the 2 days off, and then I think normal, like business operations started off on Thursday or something.
Yeah.
So that period was really, really stressful. And I think shout out to my agent as well, Becky. You guys need to give her a raise,
is that you? Okay, so that's your shout out to Becky. In the camera, yeah.
Becky really pulled through for me. I was so stressed at the time. And remember, it was the holidays. So I texted her early in the morning. I was like, Becky, this is what happened. Do you think? And then she responded, oh, God bless her. So immediately. And then she said, you need to do A, B, C, D. And then I did that. So it was really, really how she just helped me through that. And then it just gave me a peace of mind, like, whoa. Becky, I could just bottle her up and just take her with me, because she's really, really helpful. I feel like she does a lot for me as well. I think that's another thing why I love them. Yeah. She didn't only just help me with the claim, she also helps me with my policy in general. She keeps track of the expiry dates. I don't keep track of that. And then
we need a Becky.
Everyone
needs a Becky, yeah.
And then closer to the time, she would remind me, oh, this is due, you need to renew this, and then I'm like, shout out to her. So please, I love her. So she really helped me out with that. It wasn't really stressful. And even the turnaround time, she kept pushing for me.
Wow.
And then I think after a week or so.
Just a week?
Yeah.
Wow.
Because remember, it was the holidays, and then we went, I think, Thursday, Friday, that's when we went back. And then the following week, all that was sorted. So I felt like she was just pushing for me. She was just my cheerleader.
Yeah. Guardian angel.
I didn't have to follow up as much.
See, you need that.
I didn't have to follow up, because it was just going to piss me off if I had to keep calling and calling and calling. So I'm glad she took one for me.
Yeah. I love that for you. Big shout out going out to Becky. And I'm sure Alpha Direct Insurance has a lot of Beckys flying around.
I hope they do.
Yeah,
I hope they do.
Fingers crossed. Recommendation to TK and everyone else that needs to definitely get into signing up with Alpha Direct Insurance.
Get a Becky.
Yeah, get a
Becky. But yeah, you should, because you don't want to be like me, who didn't think of anything and maybe thought that, it's for people that have like gang assets,
money,
that they need to protect. You need to be financially well off. So you can just sign up, and then they have different policies that could help you as well. So yeah, please do sign up for insurance. It really does help you. You don't want to wait and then something bad happens and be like, I wish I could have. I wish I could have. And they keep bringing up new things. I mean, them as well all the time, because at first I think I had one thing and then I added on to that. So I like that. I like that about them.
Do you see a lot of them on socials? I know there's a lot of digital marketing that goes around. Do you see Alpha Direct Insurance more or less?
They're really out there.
Yes,
I think that's why I kind of gravitated towards them as well. As mentioned, they're they do like bold outdoor
Very
campaigns.
visible. Yeah.
So I saw that, and then I know they're really big and in your face in social media as well,
Yeah.
which is quite recommended for all companies, really.
Yeah. I love that.
Yeah, I like that. The only thing that I kind of want insurance companies to do, see that whole list of the terms and conditions. If they could just bundle up in like a sentence or
You know
two,
what's crazy? That was going to be my
that could help, because they know we're lazy to read, hey. They know we're lazy to read, so I feel like, that's where they look at it.
Yeah.
So if they could just bundle up, and then we don't have to go through text and text.
I know. I have a legal background. The first thing you learn at law, first class, is that whatever term and condition it is, however long it is, you just got to read it, because the moment you sign that, you have accepted the terms.
Because they know we don't read, and we just be signing, and then you come, and then hey, it's a different tune.
It's a different, Thank you so much for this and telling us your story. I just really love how, the part of claiming, because usually a lot of people judge and gauge whether or not to sign up with an insurance company based on the turnaround time.
I love that.
And all of that. What would be some of your last words? I'm interested in that.
Just sign up for insurance, guys, please. It's really important. And
do it now.
Not just for your car, your household stuff. There's a lot that Alpha offers. Just read up on them, go on your social media, the website. They have a lot that they're offering, and the rates are really good as well.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm just glad they brought you as the first guest for the show.
Thank you.
Because you're amazing.
Yeah, shout out to them.
And we had a great conversation, insightful, enlightening, and I hope everyone that's watching now is pushed to
perspective.
Yeah, definitely.
About insurance as well.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
And possibly until the next time, where you tell us another amazing thing that happens.
Thank you.
With Alpha Direct.
Thank you so much.
All right, guys, that's that for our first guest on this amazing episode, where we get to find out what's happening at Alpha Direct Insurance and how you can possibly come over and join the family. Cheers.